Adding a video to knowyourforest.org is very similar to adding a publication to the resource pages. There's just a slight difference, and it has to do with bringing in external links. Now, this is using video that already exists in another web location, such as YouTube or Vimeo, or maybe on Oregon State server. This is not inputting raw video. That's something else, and probably something that you won't handle on a normal basis. So I'll just cover the adding of a video that already exists somewhere else that possibly has been loaded up. So you go about it the same way as the other. Like before, we can get into all of our content by pressing the Content button at the top. And once we do that, we can scroll through content that already exists if we need to make a change, or we add content, and that's something that we're going to do today. Again, you can add content by clicking the link right in the page here, or an easier way throughout any point of the site is just to go up to your gray bar and hit the Add Content button. Now, in Add Content, you have a number of choices to add. Again, the things that we'll touch are downloadable documents and web links. Now, here's the thing that might be confusing. You see this link that says video down here. It also says HTML5 video object. This is a bit misleading. You won't be accessing this. This is for the built-in videos at the head of each page, or something that will load onto the web page. Instead, what we want are web links, because essentially we're loading links from places like YouTube and having them embed and play here. So, although it may seem a bit strange, if you're loading a new video, you actually want to go to web links. So once we get here, it's much like adding a publication. We want our link title. In this case, I'll put Thinning at the Rediscovery Forest. Link URL is where it comes into play that this video actually lives on another website. I type in the URL from this particular video. It's a video about thinning at the Rediscovery Forest. So I've grabbed the YouTube URL and put it in place. This can be any link. If this is your link to Stewardship Foresters, you can put that link in here. If this is your link to a map of Oregon counties, you can put that in here. All this is doing is drawing an external link and using that as a resource. Now in the description, we can put, this is a 7-minute video about thinning in a working forest. Whatever you like to put in that place. And then you go down here, and pretty much that's it for adding it in. You hit save, as you always do. And now, this is a resource that we have, Thinning at the Rediscovery Forest. It's a link, not necessarily a video raw content that we can now access from anywhere. So, let's say, for example, we wanted to go to the Learning Library, and in the Getting Started section, say we wanted to add it into the videos. Again, there's two ways to go about editing this page. You can go up to Content, find the list of this page, click Edit and get into it, or the easier way to do it is just go to the page you want to edit, and then up here in the gray bar you hit Edit Current Page. I'm going to click that. And it takes us right into the page ready to edit. Again, we can touch our title, we can adjust our content if we want to, our contact information, and then resources to get you started. That's the end of the content right there. And that's because all of the resources are down below in their categorizations: publications, presentations, videos, and other. In this case, we'll go to the videos category. Now, video can pick up any resource that is in the library. This case, we'll put in thinning. And again, what Drupal does is anything that has that word in the title, it's going to bring up all of those resources that you can just choose from. So we go down here, there's our video, Thinning at the Rediscovery Forest. We'll click it, and then we go down here and hit save. But first, one thing that we would like to do before we save is go to revision information, and that way we can keep a log of all the changes on the site. I'm going to hit create new revision, and I'm going to say Jordan added Rediscovery Forest video on January 11th, 2013. That way we can keep an accurate record. Then we hit save. I'm going to refresh our page, scroll down to the videos. I'll open them up. And there's our new video. We click on it, and indeed, the video takes us right to the YouTube link, and it plays just as we expect it to. Again, this is for videos as well as external links. If you'd like to learn how to upload a document, take a look at one of the other videos in the series.